Hi there! Today I'll start by telling you about a situation that happened to me a few days ago. My two cousins got new phones for their birthday. The phones came along with new phone numbers. I wrote down the numbers but forgot to write the names. It looks like I mixed them up when I entered the information on my computer. Will you help me swap the numbers? I tried writing a program, but it didn't work. Can you see why? Let's go step by step through my code. First, I assigned Margaret's phone number, the one that starts with 4, to Karen. Now, both Karen and Margaret have the same phone numbers, beginning with 4. Then, I assigned Karen's phone number to Margaret. It was completely pointless because they already have the same phone numbers. Karen's number equals Margaret's phone number. Then I printed both phone numbers and found out that they are completely the same. Something went wrong. What should I do to make it right? I need an additional variable that will temporarily store one phone number while swapping the other one. Let's fix this code. First of all, we will create a new variable and assign Karen's phone number to it. Now, Karen's number starts with 6, Margaret's number starts with 4, and temporary underscore variable has Karen's number, starting with 6. Next step, swapping phone numbers. Let's assign Margaret's phone number to Karen. Now, Karen's number starts with 4, Margaret's number starts with 4, and temporary variable has Karen's old number, starting with 6. And the last step, we need Margaret to have Karen's old phone number, which is stored in the temporary variable. Now we can make Margaret's number equal to the temporary variable, and the numbers should be swapped successfully. Let's check those phone numbers by running the print function. Yes, each cousin's phone number is now correct. Now you know how to swap the values of two variables by creating a third temporary variable. This algorithm works the same, whether swapping text strings, numerical, or Boolean values. You should also remember that when your code does not work, stepping through it line by line may be very helpful. See you in the next video.